Are you tired of battling stubborn skin conditions like eczema, carbuncles, psoriasis, acne, or rashes that you desire a permanent solution? Are you ashamed of your looks or can't even go out because your skin looks like hell and you desire healthy and glowing skin? Are you tired of taking Western medications and supplements to be free from skin diseases and have healthy and glowing skin? Desire all your friends to keep asking you in 2025, what have you done? What have you consumed that you who had bad skin glow with healthy and astonishing skin? Have you ever thought about having blemishless and glowing skin that attracts both male and female attention whenever you go out? If your answer to any of the above question is yes, then you are at the right channel watching the right video. In this video, we will dive deep into Dr. Sebi's powerful natural herbal remedies that promise to detoxify/cleanse and revitalize your body to its original alkaline state, leaving your skin healthy and glowing in just 21 days. Join me as we explore the herbal remedies for treating all types of skin conditions in just 21 days. Say goodbye to eczema, psoriasis, acne, rashes, and more by using these carefully selected herbs and techniques to detoxify, cleanse, and revitalize your skin back to its natural glow. What? These package includes the healing power of burdock root, red clover, and dandelion for acne, joint pain, eczema, and inflammation. How to apply juniper berry, Irish sea moss, and guaco leaves decoction to soothe and heal skin irritations like athlete's foot, rashes, and wounds. Using pau d'arco bark, eucalyptus leaves, and sage as washes and poultices to treat fungal infections, dry skin, and itching. The incredible benefits of pavna, lily of the valley, and Draco for scabies, dermatitis, and varicose veins. Why olive oil is the perfect carrier oil for hydration and enhanced herbal potency. Dr. Sebi's wisdom on maintaining an alkaline environment in the body for disease-free living. Step-by-step guide, will demonstrate easy recipes and applications, from herbal washes to soothing poultices and moisturizing oils, to help you reset your skin naturally. Click the link below or my bio https://www.amazon.in/sebi-100-natural-remedy-diseases-ebook/dp/B0979 New York 7WM to order for your copy now. Don't miss this. Transform your skin and health by following this 21-day herbal regimen, based on the principles of Dr. Sebi's alkaline methodology by placing an order with Amazon using the link above or in my bio. Comment below, which skin condition are you battling, and which remedy are you excited to try? Let's connect.